In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal task management. Managing personal tasks effectively is key to maintaining productivity and organization in your daily life, and Asana is a great tool to help you achieve that. Let's walk through the process together. First, head over to Asana's website and log in. If you're new to Asana, you'll need to create an account, but if you're returning, simply enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password, input it, and click on Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. On the homepage, locate and click on My Tasks. This section is your personalized hub in Asana, where you can view all tasks assigned to you. These tasks are organized by project, due date, or any custom sections you've set up. Now that you're familiar with My Tasks, it's time to sort them. You can sort tasks by priority, utilizing Asana's custom fields or sections. This flexible organization system allows you to prioritize what's most important, ensuring you tackle the right tasks at the right time. To stay on top of your schedule, you'll want to block out time on your calendar for specific tasks. This practice helps you allocate dedicated focus time, boosting your efficiency. If new tasks arise throughout the day, you can easily create them directly in Asana. This quick action keeps your to-do list current and comprehensive. For daily routines, consider creating daily tasks projects using templates. Templates help streamline your routine tasks, saving you setup time and maintaining consistency each day. Don't forget to check your Asana inbox regularly. It's essential for staying updated on comments or changes in tasks that involve you. Respond to comments promptly, bookmark notifications that require future attention, and archive those you've already addressed. You can even forward important emails directly to Asana, organizing everything in one place. This feature is excellent for consolidating communication and task management. As you move through your tasks, share updates with task collaborators. Keeping everyone informed and recording progress helps maintain transparency and accountability within your projects. At the end of the day, try to mark tasks as complete. This small action gives a satisfying sense of achievement and helps keep your task list clear. If there are tasks you didn't manage to finish, adjust their due dates or reschedule them as necessary. Finally, remember to archive old notifications. A clean inbox is a functional inbox, and archiving helps you maintain organization without clutter. And there you have it. You've learned how to use Asana as a tool for personal task management, empowering you to stay organized and productive. Thank you for joining this tutorial on harnessing Asana for your personal productivity needs.